In this video, I'm going to show you how to bet on Melbet for beginners. So it will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I'll invite you to create a Melbet professional account where you come and click on registration, then come and click on by email, which will be the full inscription. Now you will come right up to your promo code where you will enter the promo code BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. Here you are at the popular option where you will see all your betting tips. Now you can see all the matches from here. Now you will select the matches that will be favorable for you. Now if for example I should take this match here and I click on it, you will see a lot of options from here. So you can see win 1, X and win 2. This X just simply means draw game. So you can also see the option of double chance, both teams to score and all the rest. So for example, if we can start by taking for example win 1 here, which will be for the first team here, Burnley, and win 2 for this team here. So by clicking on win 1, clicking on it, you will just come and click and type on bet here and put the amount of money that you wish so as to bet your match. You can also add it to the bet slip, as I can click here. Now by selecting again another match from here, you can select this second match for example. You can see here double chance, which will means double chance 1x for example, meaning that the first team here, either the team will win or will have a draw game. Or by taking double chance here, you can see that the second team will win or he will just make a draw game. Now you can take also 12, the option 12, which means that one between these two teams will just win. And you can see also the option of both teams to score. You can also see the total here where it will be the total for the goals and other. By choosing now the match that you want, for example, if I should take 2x for this one here, where second team here will now either win or make a draw game. So by clicking on add to bet slip, now by coming here to bet slip, you will see the two matches that I've put in the betting slip. So by using these two now, you can see the odds here, which has also been increasing. Now you can place also your bet from this, and it will be also the same thing for all the other matches, be it basketball, tennis, volleyball and all the rest, as it is as simple as that.